Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a powerful 48-volt 100Ah lithium battery kit designed specifically for golf cart conversions. This complete system delivers 5.12 kilowatt-hours of energy with a massive 10.24 kilowatts output and 1000 A peak current for effortless hill climbing. If you want to upgrade your cart with modern lithium power, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features a 48V100Ah LiFePO4 battery with 5.12 kilowatt-hour capacity and 10.24 kilowatts maximum output. The built-in 200A BMS provides comprehensive protection against overcharge, over-discharge, short circuits, and temperature extremes. Peak current hits 1000 A for tackling steep inclines with ease. The included 18A smart charger fully recharges the 100Ah battery in approximately 5 to 6 hours using a 4-stage intelligent charging curve with 0V activation to wake deeply discharged batteries. The system includes both an LCD display and mobile app monitoring via Bluetooth, letting you track voltage, current, remaining capacity, and cell balance in real time. LiFePO4 chemistry delivers 4000 to 6000 cycles, 5 to 10 times longer than lead acid, with consistent power delivery throughout each discharge. Weight savings are dramatic at just 80 to 95 pounds compared to 400 pounds for lead acid equivalents. Range typically reaches 25 to 40 miles per charge depending on terrain and driving style. Operating temperature ranges from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, though charging should occur above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Most units feature IP65 waterproof rating and drop-in replacement dimensions compatible with Yamaha, EZGO, and club car carts. If you want to transform your golf cart with massive power savings, instant torque, and maintenance-free operation, this 48V100Ah lithium system delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.